Hi everyone, looking to keep your home cool without complicated installation? Today, I'll show you everything you need to know about portable air conditioners. Stay until the end to find out which one is best for you. What is a portable air conditioner and how does it work? A portable air conditioner is a self-contained, mobile cooling device that doesn't require permanent installation. It works through a refrigeration cycle that includes a compressor, a condenser, an evaporator, and a fan. Hot air is absorbed, cooled, and recirculated into the room, while the warm air is expelled outside through a hose. Pros and cons of portable air conditioners. Pros: portability. Move the unit as needed. Easy installation. No permanent setup required. Lower initial cost. Cheaper than fixed systems. Cons: energy efficiency. Less efficient than fixed systems. Noise: noisier due to internal components. Limited capacity, not suitable for large spaces. Installation and maintenance. Installation: 1. Place the unit near a window and a power outlet. 2. Assemble the exhaust hose and fit it to the window. 3. Properly seal the window to prevent hot air from entering. Maintenance: clean the filters regularly. Empty the water tank as needed. Check that the exhaust hose is not obstructed. Clean the exterior casing and vents. Features to look for when buying: 1. Cooling capacity, BTU. Energy efficiency, EER. Noise level, decibels. Additional functions: modes, remote control, timer. Ease of use and mobility. Best brands and models. Some top brands include LG, Honeywell, Winter, DeLonghi, and Black + Decker. Recommended models are LG LP4419 IVSM, high energy efficiency and quiet operation. Honeywell HL14 CESWB, multifunctional with dehumidification and ventilation. Winter ARC14S, powerful and efficient, ideal for large spaces. Suitable capacity for different room sizes. For rooms up to 200 SQ-FT, a unit with 8,000 to 10,000 BTU is recommended. For larger rooms, up to 500 SQ-FT, you'll need a unit with up to 18,000 BTU. Factors affecting energy efficiency. Energy efficiency depends on BTU capacity, EER rating, regular maintenance, efficient use of the device, eco-friendly options. For eco-friendly options, look for models with refrigerants like R410A, high energy efficiency, and energy-saving modes. Some models also have ENERGY STAR certification. Price range and factors affecting cost prices range from $200 to over $1,000. Factors include BTU capacity, additional functions, and brand reputation. Tips for maximizing lifespan and performance. To maximize the lifespan, ensure proper installation. Perform regular maintenance. Use the device efficiently. Store it properly during off-season months. Conclusion. And that's all for today. We hope this guide helped you understand portable air conditioners better. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. See you next time.